How to add friends on Snapchat web. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can add friends on Snapchat web. So make sure to watch the video until the end. If you would like to add friends on Snapchat web, well, it is definitely possible to add it. All you have to do is open up your browser and go to web.snapchat.com and log into your Snapchat account. Now, you don't want to download the app, so you want to add the friends. Well, Snapchat now allows you to add friends from the web version as well. So from the top left, you'll see this little plus button here. Click on this option. Now you can choose to accept the existing friend request over here, as you can see in this case, or you can simply search for a particular name whom you want to add here, and you'll find all of their username. All you have to do now is to click on the add button on the right hand side to add them as your friend. This way you can add friends on Snapchat web by clicking on this icon here. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.